Mistakes to avoid in home design. Nagpapagawa o nagpaparenovate ng bahay? Iwasan ang 3 common mistakes na to para di magsisi later. Mistake number 1. Poor lighting placement. Maling ilaw placement. Kapag mali ang ilaw, pwedeng mukhang madilim o masikip ang space mo. Solution: layered lighting. May ambient, task, or accent lights para perfect ang vibe. Mistake number 2. Ignoring ventilation. Kulog na bahay, huwag baliwalain ang ventilation. Mas mainit, mas mabaho at di healthy. Maglagay ng bintana, exhaust fan, or open space para presko at maaliwalas. Mistake number 3. Choosing style over functionality. Style over function? Oo, maganda ang aesthetic. Pero kung di comfy at practical, sayang. Piliin ang design na both stylish at useful para di hassle sa daily life. Iwasan mo to at siguradong mas gaganda at gagahan ang bahay mo. Like and follow for more archi tips.